All right. What we're trying to do is to swap the original lamps for these other lamps that I bought. I think it was a Lowe's or Home Depot. Pretty much it doesn't matter as long as you find the one that you're looking for. That will gonna help you a lot. It'll be better than having these lead drive, or I would call it little pancake box. As you can see, is for 36 volts, and it will make you save a lot of money, in electricity when you use it with the original lamps. But on the long run, they were flickering a lot. It was a waste of time just having it for like a year, just flickering over there in the backyard. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna remove the original lamps and swap them for this one here, where I'll be able to change the bulb anytime I need it, without any hassle. First thing I did, it was to remove this LED drive. As you can see, red, black, and here we got the red and black. I just cut those two very, very, like exactly out of the box. And here, black and white, and you can see in here the black and white as well. So I cut them exactly right there, flush with the box, because we're gonna need them exactly as they are right now. All right. Then the next step, it will gonna be the same. I'm gonna remove the lamps, remove the other lamp, and then once I remove it, I will cut, because we will not use this anymore. I'm gonna cut it exactly flush with the lamp. So because we're gonna need that wire too, and then we're gonna need this wire too. So flush with the lamp. As I was telling you guys, this we're gonna make it watertight, this connection here, and you see you have two rubber pieces that it will make it watertight, and we cutting here flush. So that's gonna help a lot, because it will gonna give you a proper length to do your job properly. Now, out of the new lamp, here we got it. We don't need the whole thing. The only thing that we need is the lamps. So the sensor and all of that, we can dismiss it. And this is gonna cost you, the whole thing is like 29 bucks. If you want something with quality, I recommend you this Defiant. It's quite good. And well, what you got in here is, leave the connectors alone. Maybe in the future you want to use it, so it would be better if you leave at least a little bit that you can use. So in that way it would be an easy reinstalling or reusing, whatever you want. Or just cut them flush right here and reuse the lamp. That would be completely up to you guys. Once you cut them, the only thing left is just to remove the lamps, or finish unscrewing them from the position they are. And this is what you're gonna use on your ring, so you can keep working on 110 volt straight connection. Not anymore. So we got it. So this can go back to the box. We don't need it anymore. Together with these two folks, we don't need it anymore. Maybe in the future, some other thing probably will gonna come to mind, and I will use those two from the ring camera. But as of right now, it's just to get these back and working. So once the ring is back and working, we'll go from there. For the ones that this is the first time doing this kind of project, like it's like a few minutes project, just make sure that when you get to this part, you already separate all your wires. So you have in here, coming from the camera, you have the red one that they have an extension. That's why I did not cut this. I just want to make sure that it's in the same way they put it in originally on the camera. So because I did not cut any of these, so what I'm gonna do is showing you. So red from the camera, white with the whole thing from the camera, and the black from the camera. So black from the camera, we need to make sure this one in here is the one that it will connect straight to your power supply. All right, so that's separated. We do not do anything with that one there. So the white one from the camera, it will connect straight to the white one from the lamps. Remember that we cut them before? We got in here lamp, that it will be connected to the actual lamp here. And then white one from the camera with this little extension that I just left it originally as it came. Like you see it, you see here, will connect it to the whites. And these blacks from the camera, as you can see right there. So the black ones from the camera, they have an extension that is in red color. We will connect it straight to the red from the camera. Sorry. Again, the black ones from the lamps with the red extension that it came. I don't know why, but whatever. So it will connect straight to the red from the camera. And the red one in the camera, you see, has a black extension. So that would be pretty much like here. Then the white one on the lamp with the black extension, it will connect to the white one from the camera. All right, it will be over there together. And then this one, it will be your white one to the power supply and, well, your ground. All right, I think that's pretty much the whole thing. So here you can see it. Black ones to the red from the camera, black one from the lamp with the red extension to the red from the camera, white ones from the lamp with the extension to the whites. And then in here we got the two ones that it will go to the power supply. That's pretty much the whole deal, how it works. And then, well, here you can see that I already put the lamps with the bulbs. These are the bulbs that I bought. They came in a 2-pack. I think it's like 13, maybe 14 bucks. Yeah, 13 bucks. They're quite good. I put it in a Daylight Deluxe and in the 75 watts. So that one, believe me, is more than enough. And just make sure that your configuration is 75 watts and you put it on the 25 spot, in case that you bought this kind. So 25 spot, 75 watt, and you put it in a Daylight, which is the 6500K, and you'll get the most out of the new ring setup that we just did. So this is the way we're gonna look from now on. Quite beautiful, and you can change the bulb anytime you want. Still give it a brand new look from what it was to what it is right now. So it's great. Oh, by the way, this little metal bar that it was holding the LED drive in place before, do not throw it away. It can help you to keep all of this in place once you finish, and it will look a lot neat. You know, just to consider it well done. And here you got your black white on the ground, you know, ready to be installed right now.